today I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about Swiss Diamond Nonstick Cookware. They have a new coating now, and what they've done is they've added 20% more diamonds to their coating, and they've also changed the application process. And the results that they found is they are seeing 40% better non-stick capabilities in terms of food release, and also 40% better in terms of toughness on that surface. Just to give you a little bit of background on Swiss Diamond, maybe on how they're made. They've been around for a long time, so just to tell you a little bit about how they produce their products. So, great non-stick product with an aluminum base. Now, what they do that's different is they actually have a cast product. It's not spun aluminum or stamped. At the factory, when they produce this, they melt the aluminum alloy and then they pour that into molds. And the result is that you have a perfectly flat pan, it never warps, and so you get excellent heat conduction because it's just sitting right on the surface of the burner there. Once they've completed the mold, to remove the pans from the mold, they put a plasma coating down, and the plasma coating doesn't allow you to penetrate through to the aluminum, but it also helps that non-stick coating become a very durable, lasting, strong bond. After the plasma coating, they put 3 layers of this new non-stick property, and again, they're using a new process which is allowing it to really have a very durable bond to the aluminum pan. So an excellent product. I'm just going to show you today. I'll get this started a little bit. I'm going to cook an egg for you so you can just see how well this works. So when you cook with Swiss Diamond, you want to use low heat, low to medium heat. You can get it up to medium high, but that would really be as hot as you want to go, and that's perfectly hot enough because aluminum is an excellent conductor, and so are diamonds. The diamonds actually serve a real purpose with this in that they are a better conductor of heat than even copper. They're also very hard, so it's makes the product even more durable, and they're slippery. All great properties to have in a non-stick product. You can see here at the pan there's no rivets internally, and that's again the result of the fact that it's cast. So you have no places in the pan where you're going to be picking up any food particles that can introduce bacteria and that kind of thing over the long haul. They have a great lid. It has a steam vent, so you can either allow the steam out to release or you can close it. And a nice ergonomic handle that is designed not to get hot when you're cooking on the stove. Now you can put all of it in the oven, and it's all safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's see here, if I get going here a little bit. Should preheat your pan about 3 minutes or so. This isn't hot enough yet. Once again, you want to give it about 3 minutes or so to preheat your pan. Now, I'm not going to use any oil in this at all, and you don't need to. So we're just going to crack this egg, pop it in here, and you'll get a look at how this guy works. I suppose I could tell you a little bit more Swiss Diamond with their products. They also have these great felt pads that you can use to put in between your cookware so that you don't scratch them up when they're in your cupboards or your cabinets. And of course they have sets and a lot of individual pieces as well. They do also produce an induction ready products so that for those of you out there who are using induction, you too can use a great Swiss Diamond pan. See how that thing is just scooting around. I'll flip it over and we'll have an over easy egg. If I can get a hold of it here. With a non-stick coating, you probably shouldn't use metal utensils, or at least not go after it a little too aggressively, because you can damage the coating with that. So it's best if you use silicone or plastic, that kind of thing. And as I mentioned, I think, a couple of times, don't use high heat. with your nonstick pans. It's just not necessary. First of all, you've got great heat conduction with the aluminum that this is made with, and also those diamonds provide a lot of heat conduction too, so it's just not necessary to use high heat. Medium low to as much as medium high, but don't go any more than that. Another thing that is probably not great to use is an aerosol cooking spray, those cooking oils. And you know, it's not the oil that's in them, it's the propellant. The propellant actually gets on the surface and kind of gums it up, and it can be difficult to remove. So I would avoid that if you're going to use oil when you are cooking with these pans. Other than that, they're awesome. As you saw, they have great release, and we just love the new coating that Swiss Diamond has come out with on their pans. So stop in if you have any questions on Swiss Diamond or any of the other products that we carry here, and thanks for coming in to Creative Kitchen.